Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Yuliani. I'm from English Language Education Study Program. My student ID is 1901H119. My lecturer is Leni Marlina SSMA. In this afternoon, I'm going to present my research proposal. The title is A Correlational Study Between Students' Perception and Academic Writing Ability Among the Fifth Semester Students of English Department, Universitas Negeri Padang. Here what I'm going to talk about first is the introduction, then the review of related literature, and the last is research methodology. Let's jump to the first point, that is the introduction. The background of the problem. In the first semester, students of English Language Education Program at Universitas Negeri Padang learned a course named Academic Writing, and of course, the students have different perspectives toward the academic writing course. Based on the background of the problem, the researcher investigate the two main problems, that is, students have different perceptions toward academic writing course, and then students got various scores in their academic writing course. Academic writing course itself is a kind of writing activity in the language classroom which requires scientific thinking, reasoning, and application of scientific language variety according to scientific requirements. And student perception is the way students think about something or the way they understand something through organizing, interpreting, and experiencing sensory information. The researcher limit the problem as the relationship between student perceptions and their ability in writing for academic purposes. Therefore, I'm going to investigate student perceptions and also their score for academic purposes. Based on the background of this research, I formulate the problem of this research as what is the relationship between student perceptions of academic writing course and their ability in writing for academic purposes at English Language Education, Universitas Negeri Padang. And here the research question is what is the type of relationship between student perception of academic writing course and their ability in writing for academic purposes. Hopefully, the finding of this study will give significant theoretical and practical benefits for both students and lecturers in improving their ability on academic writing. Thus, the purpose of this research is to find out the relation between student perception of academic writing and their ability in writing for academic purposes. And the significance of this research. There are two significance of this research, that is theoretical and practical. Theoretically, the finding is expected to be beneficial for students to have good perception on academic writing course, and also for further research, since there's not many research about this problem. And practically, I hope this finding will be useful for the lecturers to improve their approach in this subject. And then let's move to the second point, that is review of related literature. Here we have to pay attention to the concept of perception. The key point here is that positive self-perception might influence academic performance, as perception is one of the steps for processing information in the learning process. And then the concept of academic writing itself. Academic writing develops student abilities to express themselves through language comprehension and communication, and this is the core of education and a criterion for discipline areas. And the relevant research there are some research about this problem. The first is the research conducted by Octarina et al. In 2018. The title is Students and Lecturer Perception on Academic Writing Instructions. And the participants of their study were Indonesian language class in Universitas Sriwijaya. In short, this research is beneficial for my future research as the framework for creating research instruments. And the second research was titled The Effects of Learner Perception and Affective Factors on Second Language Learning Outcomes, conducted by Sarah Gray and Kerry Jackson in 2018. This research will help me in investigating the hypothesis for this research. And the research gap of this research is of previous research do not research the specific writing course, and the sample is relatively smaller. And then in this research, I'm going to research a specific writing course, that is academic writing, and the larger sample, and also I'm going to investigate the relation between student perception of academic writing and their ability in writing for academic purposes. Here my framework. Students learning academic writing, and then they have different perceptions, and then they got different academic writing scores, and then I investigate them using questionnaire, and the findings I got the data, and can observe the data and get the conclusions. Here that comes to the last point, that is research methodology. The research design. The study is correlational research. The data collection will be in the form of perception questionnaire instruments, which we use to identify student perception and their academic writing scores. Population and sample. The population of the research is the fifth semester students of English language education program at Universitas Negeri Padang, and the sample is the K519, and there are 30 participants in this research. The instrument used is questionnaire. And the technique of data collection. I will give the questionnaire to 30 students of K519, and the questionnaire is used to collect data about student perceptions and their academic writing scores. The data collection can be conducted both online and offline, and it wouldn't affect the results. The technique of data analysis. Since the researcher will conduct correlational research, the data will be analyzed quantitatively. And here are the 5 techniques. The first is inserting the score of each item from the questionnaire, both perceptions and grades, and then calculating the student score according to the given scales, and calculating the percentage of the student answers. Then measuring the relation between the two variables using charts, and the last identifying and analyzing the relation from the charts. I think that's all about my future research. I hope you understand, and if you have suggestions or comments, feel free to tell me. I think that's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.